Wait, is that Jungkook? What's up everyone? So August D2 was just dropped and I'm shook. I am freaking out. I didn't see a freaking music video coming at me right about now. So yeah, you can see how excited I am. So let's just watch. That's Yoongi? Wow. It has a very traditional vibe to it. Oh my god, I'm loving this already.
Yeah. Oh.
He has a star. I'm sorry, I had to pause because he snapped. Oh my god. I really need to calm down. Whew. Okay, let's continue. Wait, is that Jungkook? Let me just rewind it. That's Jin! I can't believe there's a cameo by Jin and Jungkook. This is hilarious and I love how the oldest and the youngest are doing that typical Tom and Jerry fight behind. It's so cute. Okay, I just have to rewind it because I want to see that again. This was so unexpected. Oh my god. Are the other members also going to make cameo appearances? Because I'm not ready for that. Okay. Oh my god, this look of Yoongi is crazy. Oh wow, the lyrics are just standard Yoongi, like roasting the heck out of haters. Oh my god, that line. Calling me a pup. I was born a tiger. I ain't no weak pill popper like you. Okay. Flexing. You. Yes, we know your name. He's so aggressive in this. Oh my god, someone actually chopped a person's head. Ah! Oh my god, those are heads hanging. This is such a bop. I love it. Oh my god, this is savage Yoongi, right? We're used to savage Yoongi, but this is another level savage. Oh, there's a car coming. Okay. Oh, it's him in the car. What was that tongue thing? Oh my god. Sugar. He looks so good with that black hair. Oh my god, guys. I know I'm pausing this video a lot, but I'm just so impressed. I don't think I expected anything less, but it's so savage. It's such a roast and like in the haters' faces. I'm enjoying this so much. Did he just say bang PD? He keeps dancing. Oh my god, wait, I have to rewind. Oh my god, and they have... This is hilarious. They have Bang PD's face, well, like a caricature, funny face with the signature nose on that banner. Sugar is completely going for it. This is actually so hilarious. Yes, you are a genius. Wow. As much as I love Sugar's crazy, high-pitched rapping style, when he comes in this deep, raspy voice and raps in that voice, it's a level above. I really love it.
관심이 느껴지는 현타 위가 없는 현상 위험보다 난 이젠 강하게 마음보다가 이대로 쫓아가고 I'm a king, I'm a boss 새겨놓아 내 이름 이만 산 새끼들 당장 놈에 줘 I'm a king, I'm a boss 다 알잖아 내 이름 이만
That hair is
당장 놈에 먹을 줘
so aggressive, the head. Oh, there's a scene. Oh my god. So basically there are two Sugars here. And one's head is going to be chopped off. Oh my god, this is crazy. This looks like a Yoongi cult. I'm not even kidding. Like, look at everyone around him just going headbanging like that with Techitwa, Techitwa. Sorry, I don't sing, so just ignore that. But this is really cool. Oh wow, look at his sword skills. Wow. Sugar needs to stop bias wrecking me every single time. Oh, that Sugar. Oh, the black-haired Sugar died? Oh, he didn't. Okay, thank God. So what happened? Like, he didn't kill him? What is that? Is that a knife? A gun? The blonde Sugar is still there. Oh, it's a gun. Wow, not what I expected at all. I can't wait for the intellectual armies to come up with crazy theories behind the music video. Let me just check what Techita means. Ah, now it makes sense. I was wondering why the song had like traditional instruments playing in the background throughout the entire song, and it seems Techita literally means great blowing and hitting, is a genre of Korean traditional music consisting of military music played by wind and percussion instruments, generally performed while marching. Trust BTS, trust Sugar to come up with crazy things like this. It's so different to hear such traditional Korean instruments being played in like mainstream K-pop. They really raise the bar and raise the standards, and I can just imagine myself jamming to this the entire freaking day. I can't wait to hear the rest of his mixtape, but that's it for today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this reaction, and comment down below with any more suggestions of videos that I should be reacting to. And before you leave, please do subscribe to my channel because I'll be coming up with many more reaction videos. And that's about it.